Hello everyone, this is Prajita Chandrakant Gajimar. I am basically from Bhandara. I am living in Nagpur. I have done my engineering in electronics and communication from MIT Shahpur Nagpur University. I am searching for a job in IT company, but I am not getting success there. Then one of my friend told me about the Evision TechnoServe OGT program. Then I found that Evision is an IT recruitment and consulting company. So I decided to join Evision internship program. And then after joining the internship program, I got some real-time work exposure and work experience in core technologies such as CCNA, routing, switching, and Linux administration, Windows administration, and cyber security. There were different trainers for different modules like Tarun sir, Rahul sir, Roshan sir, Vibhushit sir. In Windows administration module, I learn about different administration tools like task scheduler, event viewer, local users and group management, then device manager, then disk management, defragmentation, disk management, disk cleanup, and also about the password policies. Then I also learn about how to take Windows OS backup using recovery drive, and then also about how to secure BitLocker, how to secure this drive to with the help of BitLocker encryption. Then I also learn about how to create new users, how to the process of domain joining, and then the DHCP configuration, then how to install Windows operating system with the help of WDS server, and in domain network. Then I also learn about MS Outlook, about and their different many protocols such as IMAP, POP, SMTP, and I also learn about manual as well as automatic Outlook configuration. Then I also learn about how to take remote access through RDP. Then I also then in CCNA module I learn about many good practicals as well as theoretical concepts such as basics of networking, basics of IP addressing, and different types of cable used in networking. Then learn about how to configure static routing as well as dynamic routing, and then such as RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, and also about HSRS configuration, and also learn about how to take remote access router through console cable as well as through telnet and SSH. Then I also learn about subnetting part and different types of WAN technologies like POP, CHAP authentication, frame relay, cloud, and also about its configuration. Then I also learn about access control list and its types, and also different NAT technologies. NAT stands for network address translation. Then I also learn about switching concepts like VLAN, inter-VLAN routing, inter-trunk encapsulation protocol, then scanning tree protocol, spanning tree protocol, then VLAN trunk protocol. Then also learn about dynamic trunk protocol. Then also different types of routing and wireless concept, IPv6 addressing, and many more things I have learned in this internship. During this internship, I have also learned about different troubleshooting techniques such as how to troubleshoot BSOD error like BSOD issue, black screen issue, system admin issue, then incoming and outgoing mail sending and receiving issue. Then about PPT, about PST backup and restoration, then about PST creation issue. I think that every practical it was equivalent to the IT company experience. So I feel like I'm very much confident, like 100% confident that about my theoretical as well as my practical knowledge. So at every weekend there was a mock interview or the PPT presentation in the past week. So I face almost 4 to 5 mock interviews, and I feel like I'm very much confident and ready to explain the concepts of CCNA as well as Windows administration. And after each and every interview, I got to know about my mistakes. So in which I was weak. Later all, I keep going and keep going efforts, and then prepared well, and again I'm practicing, and then now again practicing I am, and then I'm feel like I'm very much confident to show my skills and knowledge to a real time interview. So so in this internship I also learn about cybersecurity and ITL concept. So in cybersecurity I also learn about Wi-Fi hacking, like scanning, what we can say, password tracking. These things are covered in cybersecurity. Now I'm ready to now really I'm ready to face interview and crack the interview in first attempt. So I assured that I will be proud as I will prove as I am the asset I'm the asset for the company, and I join to the contribute of 100% to the growth of the company. Thank you, Evision, for developing my career in IT sector. Do, with the help of Evision, I created and built up my confidence in me, and that how I answer to how to answer some questions, how to answer rapid questions, like your practical knowledge and your skills, how to present yourself in front of interviewer. So these are things I'm learned from Evision. So this is from my side, thank you Evision for giving this opportunity to tell me and to upgrade myself in this IT sector. So thank you so much Evision. Thank you.